In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn dark mode in your sidebar in ClickUp. If you want a cleaner look that's easier on the eyes, especially when working for long periods, switching to dark mode is a great option. The good news is that ClickUp makes this very quick and simple to do, and in this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to find the setting. To get started, make sure you're on your home workspace in ClickUp. This is important because it gives you the main view where you can access your account and workspace settings easily. Once you're there, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon there. Go ahead and click on that profile icon to open the account menu. This menu contains several personalization and preference options, including the one we need for changing the appearance of your interface. After the menu opens, find and click on Themes. This is where ClickUp lets you control how the platform looks visually. If you want to change the sidebar to a darker appearance, this is the section you'll use. Inside the Themes area, choose the Dark theme. As soon as you click it, the change is applied immediately. There's no Save button and no extra confirmation needed, so you should see the new look take effect right away. That means your sidebar and overall interface will update instantly, making it easy to preview the result on the spot. If the darker layout feels more comfortable for your eyes, especially in low light environments, you can simply leave it enabled and continue working. And if you ever want to switch back later, you can return to the same themes menu and choose a different appearance. That's really all there is to it. As you can see, turning on dark mode in ClickUp only takes a few clicks, and it's an easy way to customize your workspace so it feels more comfortable and visually appealing while you work. Thanks for watching. And that's how to turn dark mode in your sidebar in ClickUp.